Today we're diving into Sanity, a headless CMS that's been gaining traction in the content management world. But is it really the solution for creators and developers looking for flexibility and control? Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Sanity is all about giving you a customizable content management experience. At its core, it's a headless CMS, which means you manage your content separately from how it's displayed. This can be a game changer for developers who want to build dynamic websites or apps without getting bogged down by traditional CMS constraints. What stands out immediately is its real-time collaboration feature, allowing teams to work simultaneously, which is a big plus for remote teams. The interface is user-friendly, and you can create structured content models that suit your project's needs. However, it does require a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with headless architectures. One area that feels a little unclear is the pricing structure. While they offer a free tier, the paid plans can get pricey depending on your usage, which might deter smaller projects or individual creators. Overall, it's a powerful tool, but it does come with its complexities. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Sanity offers incredible flexibility and scalability, making it a great choice for developers looking to build custom solutions. The real-time collaboration feature is a standout, ensuring teams can work seamlessly together. However, there are some downsides. The learning curve can be steep for those unfamiliar with headless CMS systems, which might frustrate non-technical users. Also, the pricing can escalate quickly if you exceed the limits of the free tier, which is something to keep in mind. For smaller projects or teams on a budget, this might feel like an overcommitment. But if you're a developer or a larger team that needs a robust, scalable solution, Sanity could be worth considering. In conclusion, Sanity is a powerful headless CMS that offers great flexibility for developers and teams looking for collaborative tools. However, it may not be the best fit for everyone, especially those just starting out or with limited budgets. If you're ready to dive into a more complex but rewarding CMS, it's definitely worth a try.